Hi everyone, it's Molly. I'm gonna do a colander pour. I did one earlier and I really loved the effect that I got in the center. It was almost like a kaleidoscope. So I'm gonna see if I can do that again. So I'm gonna do a colander pour, but I've done my paint split to get all the different colors mixed, and then I'm going to do a ring pour. So we'll see how this one turns out. And I'll tell you my colors and everything I'm using a little bit later, or maybe even just in the description. So I know you can't see inside of here, but this is just a ring pour that's happening inside of here. And it was really the inside part that I loved. So we'll see what happens. And it happens from when I lift this up and what pours out. So lift this up slowly. And then as it lifts up, because it was a ring pour, what drips out from underneath it is like a kaleidoscope. Wow, look at that. Can you guys see what's in the middle? Now, as I stretch it, it'll do some weird stuff, but I want to give you a close-up. I wish I could just keep it like this. I might do one later and just take a picture of it and blow the picture up, because I can't even describe to you. Look at how many colors are in those, because of my paint split and because of the ring pour through that colander. So let me get you back on the canvas, and then I'm gonna tilt it. I really don't want to tilt it all, guys. I lost my gold in there. Maybe it'll come through once I tilt. I don't know, we'll see. And I really want to keep the middle as intact as possible, so I'm going to tilt really slow. And as I tilt, the outer rings are going to go almost feathered out like a circle, and I'm okay with that. I just really like the center. So I'm just going to stretch it out to get a little bit bigger. Almost like a little star. I do not want it to go off my canvas though. Reminds me of like a hole in outer space. Like this is the fairy tale hole of painting that we're all gonna go into. But it does, it kind of reminds me of a fairy. Trying to get down to this corner. And as I stretch them all out, oh, it's so cool. So I'm going to be working with this a little bit more to see what effects I can get. But wow, that's what she looks like for now. Let me wipe my hands and I'll show you. I'm just loving this effect that happens. I maybe need to do it on a smaller canvas so that I don't have to tilt it as much. Let me wipe my hands so I can show you. You guys let me know what you think of this one. I really like this. I'm going to play around with this technique a little bit more. But look at those little starbursts that are in there. Look at how kind of ethereal that looks. My camera is not doing justice to how these are actually coming out. But all those, look at that one. All those colors are mixed in. And that looks like the center of the hole. the portal to the universe of painting. All right, thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.